In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and sell lovable websites to local businesses. Full tutorial. First, head over to lovable.dev. This platform lets you spin up clean, modern sites fast with AI, which is perfect for busy local businesses that need results without a long development cycle. Before you dive in, have a niche in mind like a bakery, a salon, a gym, or a service-based shop. Think about what that business sells, who it serves locally, and the actions visitors should take, such as calling, booking, or checking out. A quick way to find ideas is to look around your area for businesses with outdated or incomplete websites. Those gaps are opportunities for a simple, repeatable, micro SaaS offering. Now, create your e-commerce website with a strong prompt. The clearer your prompt, the better the output. Describe the business type and location, the target audience, and the tone of voice you want, such as warm and friendly or clean and professional. List the essential pages like home, shop, about, and contact, and mention specific features such as product categories, a cart and checkout, pickup or delivery notes, and a prominent call to action button. Add branding details, including colors and typography preferences, and ask for mobile first design and fast loading. You can also request basic SEO elements like a compelling headline and metadata suggestions. If you're unsure what to write, use the built-in AI assistants to draft a first version, then refine it in short, specific sentences. Generate the site, review the layout and copy, and iterate until the user journey is obvious. A visitor should know what you sell, why it's trustworthy, and how to take the next step. Once your project looks solid, it's time to monetize. You can sell the finished site as a one-time package or offer a subscription that includes hosting, content updates, security checks, and light SEO tuning. Keep pricing simple so local owners can say yes quickly. For example, provide a base build fee and a monthly plan that covers ongoing care, priority edits, and periodic optimization. To get clients, showcase a few live demos tailored to different niches, then reach out to nearby businesses with a short message that links to the most relevant example. They offer to personalize it with their logo, products, and copy within a set time frame. Share clear deliverables, set expectations, and include a quick handover process so they can approve, pay, and launch without friction. Keep improving your template library as you learn what converts best. Congratulations. With a focused prompt, a polished demo, and a straightforward offer, you're ready to build and sell lovable websites to local businesses.